Marhaban, ahlan wa sahlan bikum. In this lesson, we are going to be learning new area of vocabulary. أعضاء جسم الإنسان, parts of the body, parts of the body. And as usual, everything in Arabic is classified as masculine mudhakkar or feminine mu'annath. So parts of the body as well. So let's deal with those part of the bodies as classified as mudhakkar, masculine. Let's start. We start with a body, jismun. That's a body in Arabic is called jismun and is masculine word. Next is sadrun, sadrun, and that is a chest. A chest, sadrun. Sadrun is a masculine in Arabic. Sadrun. Next is batnun, is stomach. Batnun. Batnun is also masculine. Jismun, sadrun, batnun. Dhira'un. Dhira'un is an arm. An arm, dhira'un, is regarded as masculine as well as feminine. So you can use it as a feminine even though it's not carrying ta marbuta. So dhira'un can be feminine as well. So you can say هذا ذراع or هذه ذراع. Next one is katifun, the shoulder. The shoulder, katifun, that's masculine, katifun. Next, mirfaqun. Mirfaqun, an elbow. An elbow, mirfaqun. Mi'samun. Mi'samun, a wrist, mi'samun. Next, ibhamun. Ibhamun, a thumb. The thumb is ibhamun. Next is isba'un. Isba'un. Isba'un, a finger. A finger, isba'un. Ra'sun. Ra'sun, a head. Ra'sun. Wajhun. Wajhun, a face. Anfun. Anfun, a nose. Khaddun. Khaddun, a cheek. Famun. Famun, a mouth. Lisanun. Lisanun also can be used, can be referred to as masculine or feminine. So you can say هذا lisanun or هذه lisanun as well. So lisanun is tongue. Your tongue can be classified as masculine or feminine. Dhaqanun. Dhaqanun. Dhaqanun, a chin. And unuqun, a neck. Unuqun, a neck. Finally, dhahrun. Dhahrun, a back. Dhahrun. So these are the mainly masculine nouns or words as part of body. Jismun, sadrun, batnun, dhira'un, katifun, mirfaqun, mi'samun, ibhamun, isba'un, ra'sun, wajhun, anfun, khaddun, famun, lisanun, dhaqanun, unuqun, and dhahrun. Now we're going to look at the other parts of the body that are regarded as or classified as feminine words in Arabic. Sha'ratun, a hair. Dhira'un, an arm. And that also can be masculine. If you remember, it's listed under the masculine as well. An arm, that's a dhira'un. Yadun, a hand, is feminine. Rijlun, a leg. Rijlun. Qadamun, a foot. Rukbatun, a knee. That's rukbatun. Aynun, an eye. Udhunun, ear, that's a udhunun. Shafatun is a lip. Shafatun. Sinnun, sinnu a tooth, sinnun. Lisanun a tongue, lisanun. And then we have jabhatun, a forehead. These are the obvious area of the body. We've listed masculine and now we have listed feminine. But I don't know whether you can notice on these feminine items now, something is going on there. Mainly those items that are in pair in human body, they are regarded as feminine for some reason. Not always, but mainly. If we look at this, look at arm is, they have two of it, so it's feminine, it can be as feminine. Yedun, two hands, is regarded as feminine, even though they are not actually carrying ta marbuta. If you remember at the beginning of the book, we have identified ta marbuta as the main sign of feminine in a noun. But here you can see no ta marbuta, but because there are two of them in our body, mainly it's regarded as feminine. That's very, very interesting. Yedun, hands, so two of it, so it's feminine. Rijlun, leg, we have two legs, so it's feminine in Arabic. Qadamun, foot as well, we have two of it, I hope. So rukbatun, we have two. Ainun, an eye, we have two eyes. And udhunun, ears as well. Shafatun, lip, I think have two as well. Sinnun, but that's one more because we have more than two teeth, hopefully. Lisanun, it can be male or female, and yet it's only one. And jabhatun, forehead. But if you look at the masculine that we did before, ra'asun is only one ra'asun, which is head. Wajhun, only one face. And anfun, one nose. We have famun, one mouth. We have unuqun, one neck. Zaharun, the back is one. Sadrun, one chest. Batnun, one stomach. Let's do exercise 27 on page 35. Number 1, a long face. So it is essential that we know the gender of these parts of the body because the adjectives must match the noun in terms of gender. Wajhun, face. Face is referred to as masculine in Arabic, so therefore our adjective also must be masculine. Wajhun tawilun. Ra'sun, head, is also a masculine. Ra'sun kabirun, a big head. Ainun, however, ainun, an eye is referred to as feminine in Arabic, so the adjectives must be feminine in nature. Ainun baydawiyatun, an oval eye. Ainun baydawiyatun, sha'ratun na'imatun. Sha'ratun, hair is feminine. You say sha'ratun na'imatun, soft hair, soft hair. Shafatun hamra'u. Clearly, shafatun, we have ta marbuto. That's a good clue there. Shafatun hamra'u, a red lip. Hamra'u, shafatun hamra'u. Anfun munhanin. So anfun, nose, is masculine in Arabic. So you say anfun munhanin, a crooked nose. Anfun munhanin. Khaddun seminun. Khaddun is also masculine in Arabic. Khaddun, cheek, a fat cheek. Khaddun seminun. Sinnun bayda'u. Sinnu is feminine in Arabic. You say a white tooth. Bayda'u. Famun, mouth, is single. It's a single because we have only one mouth. Mouth is masculine in Arabic. فم صغير, a small mouth. ذقن ضيق, a narrow chin. ضيق, ذقن ضيق. Now let's do the second part of exercise 27. Number 11. Number 11 is a long neck. عنق طويل. عنق is masculine. عنق طويل. Next one. Number 2, a long tongue. Long tongue is لسان طويل. Because لسان can be referred to as masculine as well as feminine. So you will be right if you say لسان طويلة. That's not wrong. لسان طويلة or لسان طويل. Number 3, a straight back. ظهر مستقيم. ظهر مستقيم. Number 4, a broad chest. A broad chest. صدر واسع. صدر واسع. Number 5, a fat stomach. A fat stomach. بطن سمين. بطن سمين. Next is a long arm. A long arm. ذراع طويلة. You can also say ذراع طويل because ذراع may be referred to as feminine as well as masculine. So ذراع طويلة or ذراع طويل. Next one, a short thumb. إبهام قصير. إبهام قصير. Number 18, a thin finger. إصبع نحيف. إصبع نحيف. Number 19, a short leg. Leg is feminine. رجل قصيرة. رجل قصيرة. Last one is a big foot. قدم كبيرة. قدم also is feminine. قدم كبيرة. So well done and أحسنتم. Goodbye. مع السلامة. إلى اللقاء. في أمان الله.